Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the new Series 8 built-in oven from Bosch. Bosch ovens are known for producing exceptional results recipe after recipe. Introducing the next level of cooking, Bosch new Series 8 oven. With a high-resolution TFT touch display, this innovative user interface makes cooking easier than ever. Need a change in the program? Adjust any oven setting with a slight turn of the digital control ring engraved in the glass, and the clear, vivid images and info text will take you through each step as you navigate the program options. Introducing the Steam Function Plus feature. With the new Steam Function Plus, you are able to steam your dishes up to 120 degrees Celsius and have it ready in a shorter period of time. You can prep your meals 50% quicker without compromising its nutritional value, as more vitamins and nutrients are retained when steamed at high temperature. Next, let's take a look at the air fry function. Coupled with the air fry tray and a little oil, your thinly sliced potatoes are ready to become your delicious snack in no time. That's not all. The PerfectBake Plus function is able to help you plan your time in the kitchen more efficiently. This function uses artificial intelligence and its baking sensor to self-bake a variety of food. Simply select the recipe and the oven takes over. The baking sensor measures the heat, humidity, and oxygen in the oven and provides you with the time left till the dish is ready. When it comes to roasting beef, fish, and chicken, timing is crucial. With the PerfectRoast Plus function, you don't have to worry about time management. PerfectRoast Plus uses a meat probe with 3 measuring points to monitor the temperature. When the selected internal core temperature is reached, that's when your dish is roasted to perfection. Like PerfectBake Plus, you are constantly updated on the time left until the completion of your dish. It's not over yet. The PerfectBake Plus and PerfectRoast Plus comes with an AI feature that learns about the user's preferences. So the more you bake or roast the same food or recipe, the more the oven learns about the optimal setting and will give you the perfect results you want. In addition, these learnings will be shared in the Learning Cloud and to help create future recipes for you. The added steam function is another utility to help our bakers achieve their baking needs. By injecting a constant dose of steam throughout the entire cooking, the enhanced steam feature imbues your dishes with tantalizing textures that captivate the palate. Cooking with added steam gives certain food items a crispy crust and a shiny surface. Additionally, it delivers exceptional outcomes for roasting and reheating dishes to perfection. Just fill the water container and let your oven take care of the rest. To give you a better user experience, we've also upgraded our control panel. The traditional rotary knobs have been replaced with a digital control ring that makes setting selection easier and more convenient. Select a setting with just a touch. Together with the TFT touch display, you are able to see the settings information in the inner ring of the control ring as you navigate the setting options. With the new automatic switch off function, enjoy peace of mind as your dish is being cooked. Upon reaching the right level of doneness, the cooking process will automatically stop. You will then be informed that the dish is ready without having to worry if your dish is over or undercooked. This oven can do more than just cooking. It can also assist you in deciding what to cook. Simply connect to your Home Connect account and browse through a selection of recipes on Recipe World. Once you have selected a recipe, the appropriate settings will be sent to the oven. You can also activate the oven assistant with voice control. Let it know what dish you are preparing, and suitable settings or programs will be suggested to you. When it comes to cleaning, the EcoClean Direct function makes it effortless. Its unique microfine ceramic sphere coating on the oven walls and roof effectively dissolves grease splatters while you cook. Simply wipe the oven floor and glass door to clean the oven, saving you time and energy. With a specialized damping mechanism on its doors, there won't be any more abrupt slamming. This ensures a longer lifespan for your oven. It is all about saving spaces in your home these days. Designed as a built-in oven, you are able to incorporate them into your kitchen cabinet. With the sleek design and the measurement of 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter, it occupies very little space. This product is for you as it saves space, has a variety of functions, and serves as a 2-in-1 product. The new efficient systems and smart AI are definitely worth the investment.